Recording is on.
Oh, okay. Um, so this question is on angles of depression. Angles of depression, and we can as well say is the application of SOHCAHTOA, that is trigonometric ratios you have learned. So when you have this type of question, is something that requires interpretation. So if you cannot interpret and come up with a diagram, you won't be able to solve it. So that means you have to pay attention to the way I'm going to interpret it now. I hope you are with me, Abdullah.
Yes, sir, I'm with you, sir.
All right, good. So a ladder 8 meters long leans against a vertical wall. The angle of depression from the top of the ladder is 60 degrees. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? That's how you do it first. You read the question from beginning to end. Then you now go back again and start interpreting it one by one. A ladder 8 meters long. That is, the length of the ladder is 8 meters. It's leaning on a wall. So that means by interpreting it now, we're going to sketch. We are going to sketch a wall. So this is a wall. Let's say this is a wall here. We have a building like this. All right. This is a building and the wall is here. Now you now have a ladder that is 8 meters. This is a horizontal level, ground level. This is the ground level here. All right. Now you now place a ladder on the wall like this. This is the ladder, and the ladder is 8 meters long. And when they are not, that is number one. The angle of depression from the top of the ladder. The top of the ladder is here. Here is the top of the ladder. Angle of depression is that when you are at the top, when you are looking straight, you have it like this. Then you want to look down. This is the angle of depression, and it is 60 degrees. That means this angle here is 60 degrees. I hope you are with me. Are you with me?
Sir, isn't the angle between the ladder and the wall the one that is going to be 60 degrees, sir?
No, no, no. That's good. That's good. So the question says the angle of depression. Let me quickly explain this so that you understand. Assuming you are on a tree here, this is a tree. This is on that floor. You now have a cat here on the floor. This is a cat on the floor. All right. You are here on the top of the tree. All right. You want to look at this cat. You need to depress your eyes. When you are looking straight, your eyes will go straight like this. All right, horizontally your eyes will go straight, you're looking straight. But because you want to look, you have to move your eyes down. That is depression. So the difference between the horizontal eye level and the line that will lead to the object you want to look at is called the angle of depression. Angle of what? Depression. Are you with me? But angle of elevation is when you are looking up. But sometimes the question will come in the form of the question you just asked now, that the angle between the ladder and the wall is 60 degrees. So that means it's going to be here. 60 degree will be here. So once that is stated, that the angle between the wall and the ladder is 60 degrees, or the angle between the wall and the horizontal ground level is 60 degrees, that means this place is 60 degrees. I hope you are making sense.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, but for the case of this one, the angle of depression is here, is at the top here. So now, this horizontal ground level and the high level, they are parallel to each other. This one and this one are parallel. So alternate angles here, alternate angles. You put alternate angles here, that will be 60 degrees. You put it here. That's 60 degrees there. But the question says, how far is the foot? Here is the foot of the ladder here. This is the foot of the ladder. And from the wall, how far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? That means we are looking for this place. So this is what we are looking for. So if you bring it out as a right angle triangle, this is what you're going to have. We have 60 degrees here. We have 8 meters here. And we are looking for this place. This is a right angle triangle. So for us to find the value of y, which is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall, so we are going to make use of SOHCAHTOA. So which of the SOHCAHTOA are we going to use to solve this problem now?
Cos.
Cos, that's good. Because we are looking for adjacent. We are looking for adjacent, which is A, and we have hypotenuse. So that is correct. So let me erase this side. From here now, we have this. Okay, so that is using cos, that will be cos 60 degrees equals y over 8. Really the same thing as saying y equals to 8 times cos 60 degrees. What's cos 60 degrees? What's cos 60 degrees?
So cos 60 is 0.5.
0.5. That is half. So that gives you 4 meters. So which means the distance between the foot. So we now say the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall, the distance between the foot of the ladder, between the foot uh, of the ladder, of the ladder and the wall is 4 meters. All this is clear, right? So that is the answer. And if you check the option, it's there. It's in the option. That is option B in the question. All this is clear, right? Hello, Abdullah. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
You're welcome. So that is that on this. So,
Yes, I see. Yes, sir. Thank you.
all right. So, bye bye. We'll meet in the next class on Saturday.
All right, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Bye bye, sir.
And you too. My regards to mom.